Money is one of the biggest sources of stress in everyday life. It influences how we think, how we feel, and even how we make decisions. Whether you're worrying about bills, feeling unprepared for emergencies, or just trying to manage daily expenses, financial pressure can quietly impact your mental and emotional well-being. But improving your financial wellness isn't only about earning more, it's about building healthier money habits, creating clarity around your finances, and gaining confidence in the way you handle and manage money. When you understand your finances and make intentional choices, you reduce financial stress and start feeling more in control of your life. In this guide, we'll break down practical and beginner-friendly strategies to help you manage money better, ease financial anxiety, and create a more stable and balanced relationship with your finances. The goal is simple: help you take control, feel empowered, and build a financial future that supports your peace of mind. Financial stress affects much more than your bank account. When money becomes a constant worry, your body stays in a heightened state of stress, which can lead to anxiety, trouble sleeping, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. Over time, this pressure can impact relationships, decision-making, and your overall well-being. It creates a cycle where financial problems feel heavier and harder to solve. Many people experience financial stress because of unexpected emergencies, job instability, growing debt, or the daily struggle of living paycheck to paycheck. Even those with steady income can feel overwhelmed when they don't have a clear financial plan or feel unprepared for the future. These stressors slowly build up until they start affecting your emotional and mental health. Not everyone reacts to financial pressure the same way. Some panic quickly, while others remain calm even during difficult situations. These differences often come from childhood money experiences, cultural expectations, personal beliefs, and past financial wins or mistakes. Understanding your own financial psychology helps you recognize your reactions and develop healthier patterns around money. Mindful spending is one of the most powerful habits for improving your relationship with money. It means becoming aware of your financial choices and making decisions with intention, not impulse. Instead of buying out of stress, routine, or emotion, you pause and ask whether the purchase aligns with your values or goals. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about giving your money purpose. There are simple techniques to become a more mindful spender. Start by giving yourself a moment before making purchases. This pause alone can stop emotional or impulsive buying. Track your expenses to understand where your money is going. Use cash for non-essential purchases, and pay attention to emotional triggers like boredom, stress, or comparison. These small steps strengthen your control and help you create healthier spending habits. Mindful spending boosts financial wellness because it reduces guilt, increases satisfaction, and ensures your money supports what truly matters to you. When your spending aligns with your values, you feel more in control and less overwhelmed by financial choices. Building financial confidence begins with self-awareness. Knowing your financial goals, personal values, and spending habits gives you clarity and direction. This understanding reduces fear and empowers you to make better money decisions. You build financial confidence through learning and consistent practice. Educate yourself about money management, set realistic goals, and acknowledge your progress. Instead of feeling ashamed of past mistakes, use them as learning experiences. The more you practice managing your finances, the more confident you become in making sound decisions. Consistency plays a huge role in strengthening financial confidence. Checking your expenses regularly, reviewing your budget, and adjusting your goals helps you stay connected to your financial reality. The more familiar you are with your numbers, the less intimidating money feels. Routines build control, clarity, and trust in your own financial judgment. There are also times when seeking professional financial advice is the smartest and healthiest choice. You may need guidance if you're overwhelmed by debt, Unsure about investing, confused about retirement plans, or going through life changes like marriage, a new job, or opening a business. Professional support can help you make informed decisions faster and with more confidence. Different financial experts serve different needs. Financial planners help you build long-term strategies. Financial advisors guide you in investing and wealth building. Accountants support you with taxes and financial records, especially if you're a business owner. Credit counselors assist with budgeting and debt reduction. Knowing who to approach makes it easier to get the exact help you need. Working with a financial professional can significantly reduce financial stress. They simplify complex decisions, offer clear strategies, and hold you accountable to your goals. With expert guidance, you avoid emotional decision-making and gain a structured plan that supports your long-term financial security. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.